Looking to create stunning, high-quality videos with just a text prompt? Meet KlingAI, the latest AI-powered video generator that's been making waves. In today's video, we'll dive into a quick review of what makes KlingAI stand out and a basic guide on how you can get started. Let's jump right in. You can sign up using your email for free to use this app. You will have 66 credits that expires every 24 hours, meaning you will have 66 new credits every day. If you want to have more credits, you will have to purchase a membership plan. These are some of the images and videos that have been generated here. They have AI images, AI videos, and soon they will also have video editor here. Without further ado, let us start generating here. As you can see, we can generate a video from either a text or an image. Let's start with a text prompt first. Then, if we scroll down here, we can even make some adjustments. So we have the creativity level. Then we also have standard mode here. We cannot access the professional mode here. I guess this is only available for premium plan users. Also, for the length, we can only set it to 5 seconds. Then for the aspect ratio, you can choose from 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1. Then you can also choose a camera movement here. Other cinematic movements are available in premium plans. So let's just choose horizontal here. Then I'm just going to adjust the movement a little. And then you can also put negative prompt here. So these are the things that you don't want to see in the video. For example, I'm gonna put animation, blur, distortion, and low quality here. Then if we click on generate, we will have to use 10 credits. So let's just click on generate. After just a couple of minutes, it has generated this video for me, only with a text prompt. Now for the image to video feature, you just have to do pretty much the same thing. You only need to upload an image here to generate. The benefits of using KlingAI include its ability to generate high-quality videos from text prompts quickly, making it a valuable tool for content creators, marketers, and educators. It excels in rendering realistic scenes with advanced 3D attention technology, producing outputs in 1080p resolution. Its ease of use and versatility make it suitable for a wide range of applications, from rapid prototyping to creating engaging visuals. KlingAI stands out for its flexibility and accessibility, enabling users to experiment creatively with minimal effort. You can try KlingAI today and see for yourself how it works. Thank you for watching!